Hello, I'm Larry, and this is Carter's Country. Got Brett here from HUXWRX and HUXWRX, and Brett, you're going to tell us about, I guess, the most fun you can pack into a suppressor. This is the 22. This is the one that's a gateway suppressor for people that find themselves much deeper into the market. Just hit on a few high points of this thing for us.
So this is called the FLOW 22 Ti, 3D printed grade 5 titanium, full auto rated all the way up to 5.7. So pretty hardy can for being what it is.
Very, yeah.
5.5 inches long and 3.9 ounces in weight, so it almost disappears on the front of your pistol.
Right, not a problem. And I don't know that necessarily suppressor sights would even be needed with it, really.
Certain platforms, you would need it. And touching real quick on 22 being a very dirty caliber, right? Obviously shooting 22, shooting it suppressed. What's really nice here is, I won't point it directly at the camera, but you'll be able to see, we have what's called flow-through technology built into all of our suppressors. On the 22, we've got ports in the end that vent the excess gas and debris out the front of the suppressor, so it keeps your gun running cleaner, cooler, longer, keeps your lungs cleaner on a day of shooting at the range with a suppressed 22.
You're right. So not only is it a great suppressor, they've kind of made it with the user in mind and some benefits beyond just suppressing the round. That's
exactly.
Cool, and keeping all of that junk going the other direction is pretty important too.
Oh, very important.
More important than we realized 10, 20 years ago.
Absolutely, you are correct. And when we look at the suppressor on the back end, we have the 22 standard half 28 threads that are machined into the suppressor. No other accessories are needed as far as making the suppressor function on a weapon system, unless the weapon system requires you have them, like here on this Walther, we do have a thread adapter. But this is, again, half 28, no boosters needed like on most suppressor pistols. Okay, so pistol suppressors. On most models, you just thread it on and get after it, huh?
Good to go. All right, so folks, that's the HUXWRX, that's twice, HUXWRX 22 FLOW TTI. Did I get that even close?
FLOW 22 Ti.
FLOW 22 Ti. HUXWRX FLOW 22 Ti.
Yep.
No, I haven't been drinking. It's just what happens sometimes. All right, do you need an outro?
Yeah.
Okay. Remember, if you've ever shot, or hunted with us, you're already a part of the Carter's Country family. Until next time,
adios.
I don't know why I went so brain dead.